Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 18th of March, 2024. The benchmark indices ended on a positive note on March 18th and also erased some of the previous session losses, with Nifty around 22,050 amid buying across the sectors, barring IT and FMCG. At close, the Sensex was up 104.99 points or 0.14% at 72,748.42, and the Nifty was up 32.40 points or 0.15% at 22,055.70. Tata Steel, M&M, JSW Steel, Tata Motors, and Apollo Hospitals were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers included Tata Consumer Products, UPL, Infosys, Adani Ports and Titan Company. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Tata Steel's share price jumped 5% on March 18 amid heavy volumes and multiple large deals, buoyed by China's robust industrial output growth. Nearly 10 crore shares of Tata Steel have been traded today, which is more than double the last month's average. As much as 2.3 crore shares have been sold in bunches of large trades. The share price has gained nearly 40% in the last year. Other metal stocks were higher too, after China's January-February industrial output expanded 7%. That surpassed a Bloomberg estimate of a 5.2% growth. The Nifty Metal Index was up 0.3%. DRONEACHARYA Aerial Innovations share price rose 5% in the early trade on March 18 after the company secured a contract to supply IT hardware for the Indian Army's drone lab in Jammu and Kashmir. The provision of IT hardware, including CPUs, monitors, keyboards, and mice, for the drone lab will contribute significantly to the establishment and operation of this state-of-the-art facility, it said. We are honored to have received this contract from the Indian Army for the establishment of the drone lab in J&K, DRONEACHARYA founder and managing director Prateek Srivastava said. Shares of KPI Green Energy Limited advanced 5% to 1,522 rupees in morning trade on March 18 after the company emerged as the successful bidder in the Maharashtra State Power Generation tender for the 100 MWAC solar power project development. KPI Green had participated in the EPC package with land to develop a 600 megawatt solar project at various locations in Maharashtra. It received the order for a 100 megawatts project. This is the second such order in quick succession for the company. Last week, the company won a wind solar power project from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited to develop a wind-solar hybrid power project. This tender was for developing 500 megawatts hybrid renewable power projects with a greenshoe option of another 500 megawatts. Shares of Tata Investment Corp Limited hit 5% lower circuit on the 18th of March after a huge block deal on the 15th of March. Around 35 crore shares of the company changed hands in a block deal. This was the sixth straight trading session when the stock hit a 5% lower circuit and declined around 22.6% during this period. Tata Investment, a subsidiary of Tata Sons Private Limited since 2008, specializes in long-term investments like equity shares. Tata Sons and other Tata Group firms collectively own about 73.38% of its capital. Kohina Foods Limited in daily time frame is trading around 45.60 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.071 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 40.07, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 64.64. Navkar Corporation Limited in daily time frame is trading around 105.20 points with a change of 19.95% and is trading with a net volume of around 9.37 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 95.48, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 52.16. Nagrika Exports Limited in daily time frame is trading around 37.70 points with a change of 19.87% and is trading with a net volume of around 74.078 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 33.79, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 57.72. For the stock recommendation we have, Wockhardt Limited looks good and can be bought at 534 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 515 rupees and a target of 550 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.